Mhm. And how do you learn these skills to be an entrepreneur?
So we have many people which help us. We have great advisors. Then there's also many sources of information we have access to, and we just learn it by doing. Everything gets more structured. When you have more people, you have to plan better. You have to see how you can use the resources the most efficient. If you're on yourself or just in a team of 2 people, it's super easy to coordinate, and you can just talk to each other, and there's not that much planning required. But when the team grows, you need a plan.